How to unblock someone in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to unblock a player, if you've previously blocked someone, then you can remove them from your block list. First of all, launch open your Sausage Man application on your device, and from the main lobby page, go to the right hand corner and tap Social. Once you're inside the Social tab, go to the top right corner and tap on Block List. You'll then be able to see the player that you've blocked. To unblock the player, tap on Remove right next to their name. And that's how you unblock a player. After unblocking them, they will be able to send you friend requests, invitations, or messages again, depending upon your privacy settings. So that's how you successfully unblock a player in Sausage Man. If you want to play together, you can now send or accept friend requests and team invitations as usual. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.